Hey, hi, how are you? I'm Miss Ali Malar. Can you see my name here? Okay, I'm Miss Ali Malar. Gonna teach you on how to do rotations. Okay, rotations. We already learned about translations. There are so many things in our shapes, right? Now, this is specially on rotations. Okay, now let's look at the slide. Okay, now before we go for the rotation, let us look on the angles. Why we are looking at the angles? Because we need to know about angles in order to complete rotation questions. Angles. Now, do you still remember 90 degrees? Okay, 90 degrees is exactly L shape. L shape can be in any way as long it is L. So it is 90 degrees. How about this one? This is a straight line. Straight line is always 180 degrees. Okay, you must remember this, very, very important. Now, how about this one then? Okay, guys, this one we are actually looking at 270 degrees only. But why you have 90 degrees here? Because this is why to show. Okay, now this is actually a 90 degrees angle, right? If inside here 90 degrees, how about the outside? The entire balance outside here. The entire balance outside here is 270 degrees. Same goes to this one. If this is 90 degrees inside, how about the outside? Outside here is 270 degrees. So here we already learned on 90 degrees, 180 degrees and 270 degrees. Now let's move to the next slide. Okay. Now rotate 90 degrees. Now guys, which is the original picture? Green or blue? Which is the original picture? Okay, blue, because look at the alphabet here. You have A, B, C, D, E. After you rotate, okay, this A will become a, what is this? You have like apostrophe, okay? You will have this symbol, apostrophe, B apostrophe, C apostrophe, D apostrophe, E apostrophe. You will have this, okay? This is because a copy of the original A. A apostrophe is the copy of the original A. So the blue color is the original, the green color is the answer. After you rotate, okay, after you rotate, this is the correct image. All right, do you understand? Okay, now I haven't teach you this question. Okay, guys, before I teach you, please remember, if you want to rotate a shape, because this is the original, right? When the question says rotate 90 degrees, you might be thinking why it should go this way. I mean, why it should go counterclockwise? Why not this way? Right? It can go this way. Am I right? No, it cannot be clockwise. Rotate is always to counterclockwise. Okay? Rotation is always to counterclockwise. Understand this concept first. Okay? Do not do this way. Okay? Do not do this way, not clockwise. Okay, now come back to the question. Rotate 90 degrees. Now this is the original shape. Guys, 90 degrees is exactly like L shape. Am I right? Okay, now very simple. What is the first step that you must do? Here, I'm teaching you a easy way. Look at C here. Look at C here. Okay, C is here. If you look at the C, if you want to do a 90 degree shape, okay, 90 degree means rotating this way, right? Rotating this way, am I right? Okay, so always remember, just look at the entire alphabet here. This is a K, right? If you look here, the blue thing is a K. If you rotate it to 90 degrees, how it will look like? See, this K went to like an upside down K. If you really take a K and then you put it like this way, it's actually rotating 90 degrees. But how it looks like? Look here. C is here, right? C is here. Look here. Look at my laser. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Look at my laser. Can you see the L shape? But of course you will be asking me, teacher, but how many boxes? Very simple. Now look at A. Look at A. After you move this K upside down, this A will go this way, right? Now, this is the axis line. What axis is this? Y axis. Okay, from the Y axis, the original A is 2 boxes far. Am I right? The original A is 2 boxes far. Same thing. If you leave here 2 boxes to write original A, you must do the same thing. Leave another 2 boxes here. Leave the copy A. Write the copy A here. Okay, the A is here. So from original A to C, how many units in between? 1, 2, 3, 4. So if your copy A is here, of course 1, 2, 3, 4. Same distance, right? So the copy C will be here. Just now I told you, right? If you look like this, it's actually a 90 degree. You can imagine you can imagine taking something that you rotating 90 degrees. Okay, you can imagine you may take a real object. Okay, clear guys? A done, C done. Now A done. How about B? B very easy. Distance between original A and original B, 2 units, right? So here the copy A is here, 2 units, 1, 2. So the copy B will be here. Am I right? Now from B there are D and K. Sorry, D and E. I'm sorry. From B, how many units? After how many units you will have D? 1, 2. So you have copy B here. 1, 2. Can you see? Copy D. So if you look here, from original D to copy D. From here, look at my laser point. Okay. Okay. Is it 90 degrees? Yes. You have to make sure that each pointer from original C to copy C, from original B to copy B, from original E to copy E, you must make sure it's 90 degrees line. If you look at E, look at the original E. From here and look at my laser point now. L shape, right? So you must make sure that you have L shape here because you're rotating 90 degrees because 90 degrees is L shape. Is it clear so far? Okay. Now, so E. From B, after 2 units, you have E. Now, so look at the copy B. You have 2 units. You have E. Understand? Don't forget for your image that you draw, okay, make sure you have apostrophe here, like D apostrophe, C apostrophe. Okay, make sure you have it there. Okay, now let's move to the next slide. Rotate 180 degrees. Okay, guys, 180 degrees is a straight line. Okay, 180 degrees is a straight line. Very simple. How we gonna start this? Quite confusing, right? Very simple. Okay, I will show you how to do it. Since you want to look at straight line, the easy way that I can tell you is first look at A. Okay, look at A. From A, where it's the origin. Because you need to form a straight line first before you actually move. Example, let me get a pen for you. I will show you how it works. Okay, look at A, original A, and look at the copy A. Okay, I need to use a ruler, I guess. Wait, let me create. I think I better use a laser point. That is better. Laser point. Okay, now from original A, if you look here, straight line means of course you cannot go this way. You cannot go up because we are rotating counterclockwise. So counterclockwise go this way. Am I right? So from here, it's a straight line. So what do you do? Draw a straight line first. When you draw a straight line longer, from origin, look, from origin to original A, how many units? This is origin, right? 1, 2. Am I right? So your copy A also should be 2 units from the origin. From here, 1, 2. So your copy A is here. If you realize, from here to here is a straight line. It's 180 degrees, right? So make sure you put A. You must put apostrophe. Very, very important. Okay? Now, A done. Copy A done. Okay, the first point done. Very easy, guys. Now, from A to B. If you want to draw B, right? From A to B. How many units in between? 1, 2. So, this is your copy A, right? Draw 1, 2 units. Put copy B here. Now you check. From original B to copy B. Is it straight line? Yes, it's a straight line. Easy? Okay. So now, from B, how you get to C? Another 2 units here. 1, 2. So, you can do the same thing. From copy B, draw another 2 lines, and then you draw a point, you put here C, copy C. Okay? So now you check by using a ruler from original C to copy C. Is it a straight line? Yes, it's a straight line. Clear? Okay, now let's move to copy D. Okay, now when you already form A, B, C, and for you to form D and E is very easy. So no need to worry about it. Okay, now from C to D, it's 2 units in between, right? So from copy C, just leave 2 units and then you just put a point there, a copy D. So make sure from original D to copy D, it's a straight line. Same goes to E. From A, you have 2 points. After 2 units, you have to go to E. So A apostrophe here, right? Apostrophe A means a copy A. After 2 points or 2 units, go to E apostrophe. Make sure it's a straight line. Clear? Okay, now let's go to the last part. The last part is actually on rotating 270 degrees. Okay, rotating 270 degrees. Now, in order for you to rotate 270 degrees, I will suggest you to not to use counterclockwise, because if you do counterclockwise, you have to exactly take 270 degrees. But why not, in this case, only for the 270 degrees, you use clockwise. But is it clockwise 270? No, clockwise 90 degrees. Do you still remember what we discussed in first slide? The outside part is 270 degrees, but the inside part is the 90 degrees. Am I right? Okay, so here for 270 degrees, we do the opposite way. What we do? We go to clockwise, but clockwise 90 degrees. Okay? Clockwise 90 degrees. Very simple. Now, look at the first line here. A, B, C. How actually we going to do? Clockwise 90 degrees. It's same like rotate 90 degrees. But you're doing it clockwise. That's all. That was counterclockwise. This is clockwise because we are doing for 270 degrees actually. Right? Is it clear? Okay. I'm repeating. If you have any question in your exam, when the examiner says, please rotate this shape 27 degrees. What do you do? Instead of rotating 270 degrees, please rotate clockwise 90 degrees. It's actually the same thing. Okay, it is same thing. Now, look at this A. Look at this B, look at this C. Imagine you have a K, okay, and you are actually rotating it to 90 degrees. Okay, you are rotating it to 90 degrees. So take the whole K, just turn it. But before you turn it, you must make sure, like if you see here, original C and copy C. From original C, look here. Look at my laser. Is it L shape? Yes, you must make sure it's L shape. So first thing, you must look here. But of course you'll be asking me, teacher, this one okay, I can rotate. But at which point I need to rotate it? Of course you will ask me this question. Very simple. Look here. Look at A first. Okay, look at A. What axis is this? X-axis. So this is X-axis. From X-axis, okay, after 2 units, you have A as the point, right? So do the same thing. From X-axis, after 2 units, you should have copy A. Okay, if you have a copy A here, and you will know where to put C, because from original A, you have 4 points here. 1, 2, 3, 4. After 4 points, you will have C, right? Same thing. From copy A, after 4 points, 1, 2, 3, 4. You have copy C. So you can draw a straight line here. Am I right? Yeah. So where is B? B is actually in the middle. So after 2 points. From A, after 2 points, there will be B. So from copy A, please account 2 points, 1, 2, and then write copy B. Okay, so make sure the copy B is between copy A and also copy C. Clear? So once you're done with the straight line here, D and E is easy to plot because you can see the distance from original A to original E. There are two units, right? Same thing. So from copy A to copy E, there are 2 units. Am I right? Yes. So you have to make sure from copy A, you must count 2 units. Then only you plot for copy E. Okay. And please do the same thing for D. From copy C, make sure you have 2 units here. And then you plot for copy D. Make sure you draw lines. Use a different colors. For answers, use different colors. It can differentiate when your examiner is marking your paper, so they will know that you're actually differentiating it from original and your answers. Make sure you have apostrophe on the alphabets because it shows that it's the copy of the original. Okay? Do you understand? If you don't understand, please replay this video. Okay? Don't worry, you will understand better. Good luck. Thank you. Bye-bye.